Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. The topic for today's video is how you could log out your account from Temu app. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and do not skip the video. Let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Guys, you can see there's a Temu icon on my phone's screen. I'll click it. That will bring me to my app, and you can see there's an option of U on the bottom of my screen. I'll click it. After clicking it, I'll go to settings. After coming to settings, you can see there's this interface opened on my screen, and on the bottom of the screen you can see the sign out option. You'll click the sign out option. If I want to remember my login info, I'll click not now. Then they are asking for confirmation. If I want to sign out really, I'll click out sign out. Guys, you can see I have been logged out of my Temu account. These were a few easy steps that you can follow to log out of your Temu account. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again.